Hello viewers. Our project is Railway Stability Monitoring and Collision Avoidance System. In modern world, tracking and monitoring of the systems are very important in order to avoid flaws. Pakistan railway lines were laid about 160 years ago, and has no advancement or no great milestone has been introduced for change in technology. One of the major issue is collisions. This year 50 incidents occurred on massive scales of destruction. Most of the collision accidents are occurred due to ignorance of drivers and lack of information of the train's position. In derailing, trains get off the track. Most of the derailing occurs due to technical faults, rigid suspensions, and uncontrolled speed. All the data is transmitted to the driver and headquarter in case of emergency, using radio frequency modules. The system is integrated into two sections. 1. Stability monitoring. 2. Collision avoidance system. In case of emergency, HQ will generate alerts. All the tags of one track are set in order in the array. If two trains are aligned on the same track, the alert messages for both HQ and drivers are generated. Data from the each node transmitted to next node till the data is received by the driver. Wireless sensor networking protocol is used for the transmission purposes. Main components of the project are Arduino, vibration sensor, accelero-gyro meter, RFID tags, RF transmitters and receivers. The overview is shown that two tracks are assembled to demonstrate that RFID tags are deployed on both tracks, and the train on the track 1 shows the train's compartments are installed vibration sensor and accelero-gyro meter. The simulations are done using Proteus Professional 8.0. All the required libraries are imported into the software. When we place the RFID tag numbers into the input terminal, the system give validation if the tag numbers are correct for each track. And the software implementation of wirelessly sending data using RF transmitter is successfully done. Data collection is done on real-time basis via sensors. The data is gathered and analyzed. These readings are then further scaled down to the standard parameters. In demo video, we have placed the RFID tags. If any tag from similar track are received to the HQ will send the alerts to each driver to apply brakes. In the other case, the trains are moving on different tracks. This display, safe and sound journey. Derailing issue is addressed. From each wagons are equipped with monitoring sensors. They are synchronized. It will indicate the current status of each wagon to the driver. If any unstable vibrations or axis movements are received, alerts are generated.